A lot of commerce students come and ask, how will real estate specialization help me? And I can say only one thing, that real estate today is attracting a lot of investment. 70% of the global wealth is stored by people in real estate. And therefore, as a commerce graduate, you can learn the techniques of not only project appraisal, evaluation, management, etc., but a lot of legal, taxation, contractual things, and become an expert in advising people how to invest their money, even corporations, and how to keep it the way it is. If you're a science graduate, you can come into this school and learn the financial skills as well as technical skills for you to choose a career in research, consulting, valuations, or you can go and work with a corporate, their strategy team. You can be part of their facilities management team, building management team, and a plethora of careers. One interesting thing that I would like to say is that a lot of acquisitions today that happen, mergers, acquisitions across the globe in India, are due to good advice by a real estate professional, because if you fail to evaluate the asset class called real estate on which a lot of corporations are sitting, it becomes extremely difficult to put a value to the company, and therefore in every buying and selling decision, the role of a real estate professional is critical. As an anecdote, VSNL, when it was bought and sold, the only difference between the value between two bidders, in this case Tatas and the Reliance, was the valuation of real estate, and therefore the winners, Tatas, actually were helped by a consultant who put a better value on real estate and helped them acquire VSNL against all odds. So real estate professionals are crossing boundaries, not only of their own domain, but of domains which have never been heard before. And that is exactly what a science or a commerce graduate can come and learn in the School of Real Estate. Also, if you're a graduate who's done arts and has the willingness to learn, you can possibly take a bridge course and come into this institute and get a specialization in legal, financial and technical skills that will enable you to do marketing and other HR related issues which are also equally important in a real estate organization.